everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Diamond Painting and Stitching with Laura, and today I have an unbagging and an unboxing, and I think we're going to go with the bag first. Oh, as much as I want to do the other one too. I don't know, I'm excited about both of them. This I got from Amazon, and I got it from the Cross Stitch Kit shop, but it also says by Dahlia. It's that weird store. It's called 3 Fans. It is 39 centimeters by 95 centimeters. And I paid $19.92. I did not pay any shipping. Let me look. Oh, it's a Joy Sunday. Yay! It's kind of a crapshoot some days. Okay, so it has this, which is the instructions that always come with Joy Sunday, which is good. And this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can turn it around. Oh dear. Let me take it out of the package, and then I can fold it. Comes with a picture. It's an 11 count. And I'll fold this so that I can show you that. Isn't that pretty? I just thought it was gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. And I'll turn it around in case everything's upside down to everybody. So we've covered both bases. Comes with a nice instruction booklet, like it normally does. And as you see on the bottom, it's broken up into 10 different sections. See what the colors look like. Ooh, soft. Soft and cozy. It has, hang on, we got a little bit of an issue here. Hang on. Comes with 2 needles, like always. And it looks like we've got 25, let me look on the thing before I say. It has 21 colors, and at the bottom it's all broken down to full stitch and back stitch. And 310 looks like part of the back stitch and number 18. So we will see. Has some nice greens in it and blue. And these are the excess from the big ones. I just thought this was absolutely gorgeous. And I hardly wait to see it. And I see now that it has like a frame sewn around it. Look at all the blues and the purples and the browns. So it has a wide spectrum of colors. Isn't that beautiful? Ah, just love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then here's the pinks and the black. So what did I say? 22 colors? 21 colors. So yeah, because they got 2 whites here, and then these 3 are black. And they must be the excess, the 310 for the back stitch. Ooh, how pretty, 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 pretty. Ah, just absolutely fabulous. Okay, let me see where my thing is. Now I have to look on my whatchamacallit and tell you how big it is. Oh, come on. Be nice. Play nice. Okay, it says it is 39 centimeters. Now the actual part that is done is, whoops, got to turn it around so I can do it in centimeters, is 29. And if I can get this to lay flat, lay it down, hold on, it is 84 centimeters long. Now that's just the pattern. So it's a little shy of what it said. It said it was 39 by 95. So at least it's not as long as I thought it was going to be. I was like freaking. Okay, let me pause you a minute and back you up so you can see the whole picture. Okay, guys. And it has this nice frame that goes all the way around. You can see all the beautiful fans. Look at those flowers. Oh my God. Isn't that beautiful? And it has the key that runs along the bottom. And it has the back stitch and there's probably some French knots somewhere. That's where these big, let me look. There's a big square there in the middle, so maybe there's a French knot or something. But it didn't say that. It said full stitch, so I'm not sure. But we'll find out. It's not that complicated. And it's a lot more concise than I thought it was going to be. But I think it'll be beautiful when it's done. Just gorgeous. I just love those fans. They have all different kinds of designs on them and flowers and stuff. So yeah, that'll be really pretty. Alright, hang on. We're going to pause you again. Alright, I'm back. So this is what it looks like when it's done. Isn't that just beautiful? I love all the leaves and stuff around the edges. I'll bring it up as close as I can. See, I thought this... Oh, sorry. You can't see that part. This was going to be involved, but that's just the frame that it's in. So I was wondering how that was all going to transpire. But it just has this around that. So that makes a nice little border edge. So yeah, I think this will be really pretty. Alright, so let me get this out of the way. Are you ready? I finally got it. I finally got it. I'm so excited. I was excited for this one too because I thought it would never get here. But the other one, oh my God. It's not a stitch. It is, let me get this up and out of the way. It is a diamond painting. Just a small little diamond painting. Let me put this away so I know where everything's at. Before we get to this, are you ready? This is huge. I saw this on Diamond Painting with Pearl, and I said, yep, I gotta have that. You know how I am. So I figured I'd get it in the diamond painting instead of the stitch, because I could have had this in a stitch thing, but I thought, nope, I want this one in a diamond painting. So hang in there, guys, while we get everything undone. This comes from the Mian store at AliExpress. I forgot to tell you about the other one, but I didn't write it down how long it took the other one to come. I ordered this 9/16 and I received it today, so it was about 18 days. Let me get the box out. Let's see if we can just, oh, do you think? Oh God, that ain't gonna happen. Okay. Mian's packaging is always really good. The drills have never upset me. So, this is the same company that I got the Great Wall from. Well, if I can get this out. Hang in there, guys. It's not coming off of there really well. It's like glued to the box. And the box is heavier. Crap. Unbelievable. So we'll just cut some more. But the box doesn't look to be in bad shape at all for diamond painting. And from the one that I saw from Diamond Painting with Pearl, it has a plastic cover, so I'm not real worried. Now the Great Wall, I think it had plastic too. Now that I had to think about that a minute. It's been a while since I saw that one. Okay, we finally got that off. Comes in a nice big box. Let me back you out. Whoop. Back you out. Alright. Whoops. Try not to knock the tripod up. Diamond painting. Bring pleasure into your everyday life. Made in China. Enjoy the leisure time and have fun with your children. Yeah, my children don't want to know about this. Creative gifts for your friends. Decorate your sweet home made in China. So, yeah. Okay. Are we ready? Okay. It comes with 2 green boats. And it looks like a 6-placer, maybe? Nope, it's a 7-placer on each one. And just regular pink pins. But I like those 7-placers. They're easy to use in 10 or 15 or whatever. Has some extra baggies in there. It also has the wax, and then it also has stickers. Yeah, we're going to need far more than that. Also comes with a nice pair of metal tweezers. And we'll just leave that all up because you know I only use my, what do you call it? My Ever Moments. Okay, that's the end of that box. Holy crap cow, this thing weighs a ton. I paid $48.49 for it, nothing in shipping. This is a full drill. Ugh, hang on, sorry for the crinkling. Oh, yeah. And it is, did I tell you? Are you ready? 64 by 190. I'm just kind of unwrapping it so I can get the diamonds out of the middle of it. Beautiful colors, just absolutely beautiful. It's not on a foam roller. The beads are actually in the bottom of it. I'm still rolling. Hang in there, guys. Holy crap. Have some beads. Okay, and another diamond painting thing, but it has a clear, it doesn't have a number on it, but it has a clear placer there. So yeah, we got plenty of those. All right, did you see that wad? Yeah, this is all the background. So there are at least 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, maybe 14 bags. And it says color number 50, and it doesn't say how much it weighs or anything. But look at, I'm not going to take them out of here because I just absolutely refuse. But look at all the array of color. They're all packaged really nice. I'm just going to turn it over and then I'll let you look at the colors. And they come in those bags, of course, with the red things. But I go through, fill up my things, and whatever I have left over, I put in a gallon-size Ziploc bag and keep it together. I write what it is. But look at all the colors. Aren't they just absolutely fabulous? It's a round, if you haven't seen that by now. And there's only like 2 bags of 310 there. Okay, I don't know how we're going to do this, but let's see here. It has 52 colors in it. And I don't know if it has any Aurora Borealis. Now my, what do you call it? My Great Wall had a couple that were ABs, and I'm not seeing any here. This does not come with a, what do you call it? With an inventory sheet. So hang on, guys. I'm going to pause you again. I'm going to lay it down. Okay, I'm back. I had to find a place on the floor that was big enough to put it. I measured it before I got back on here. Isn't that gorgeous? I will bring you in. They have women, and they're doing all different kinds of projects. This is huge. Just friggin' huge. I swear. But yeah, you know me, I had to have it. There's like a little table down there. And I'm not real sure what that is right in there. Looks like a bear almost. But it just kind of goes forever and ever and ever. But when I measured just the canvas, you know, from the canvas edges, it measured, hang on, sorry, 64 by 190 and a half. So yeah, it's gigantuous. Just absolutely fabulous. All the different colors and everything that's going on. It is definitely big enough, you know, to fit on a wall. I think that over there is a shadow, like right there, from, or glare from my thing. But it does have a plastic cover. Just all kinds of things in there to look at and see. And I'm sure they're going to be big enough to get all the details, I hope. So we will see. All right, hang on, guys. All right, and this is called Chinese Fancies of Men. And it's from the Mian store. I think I told you everything else that's supposed to go in there. And like I said, it seemed like it took forever, but it always does with AliExpress. But finally got it, and it still says it's in Aurora, which is like 125, 30 miles away from me. So it hasn't even said that it got delivered to my post office. So when I went to go pick up the other one, that said it was delivered yesterday, and of course that was after I went and checked at the post office. Then, yeah. So I had to go back and get it today, because they didn't put it in my box. But, oh yeah, these drills are just, and they're all moving around, so I don't, and I never, Mian is kind of like one step down from DMC, or DAC, but they always have, you know, I haven't had any problems or any, like, oily drills, nothing like that. And as it goes, I'll let you know if I have any issues or whatever. And I'm truly not seeing any Aurora Borealis in here. They may be hidden if there is any, but I don't see any. On the canvas, I didn't see any weird numbers that would alert me to that. So, yeah, but yeah, this kind of blows me away. It's kind of frightening. But I did want it in a full drill instead of a partial. I could have gotten it in a partial and just done the women, you know, if I'd been smart. But I just like the way it looked. And I like a full coverage diamond painting. I always have, always will. Unless I'm buying it for one of the kids or the grandkids, you know, I'm going to always get a full drill if I can. And I spent the extra money to get it in full drill. Alright guys, well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell, and that way you know when my next video comes out. Y'all have a good evening. God bless. Bye-bye.